Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss lecture number 5 of 11th class. Today we are discussing load characteristic of synchronous machine or alternator. In this we will study how the load characteristic for different types of load can be plotted for the alternator. Let us consider a generator driven at constant speed and with constant excitation. On open circuit terminal voltage, it is the same as open circuit EMF or generated EMF. Suppose a unity power factor load will be connected to the machine, then the flow of load current produces a voltage drop of IaZs in the synchronous impedance. We already discussed the synchronous impedance. It is a combination of leakage reactance plus the resistance plus the armature reaction reactance. It is the sum of all these three quantities, and the flow of current produces a voltage drop IaZs and terminal voltage is reduced. Figure 1.12 shows the phasor of the three types of load. The phasor in figure 1.12, there are three types of loads we will discuss here. One is when the unity power factor is there, then the terminal voltage and the phasor diagram is showing the relationship of the phasor with different type of R load. Below it is showing we will discuss here. Number 1, it is showing the three types of load. It is observed that the angle sigma between Eg and Vt increases with load, indicating a shift of flux across the pole faces due to the cross magnetization. The terminal voltage is obtained from the complex summation Vt plus IaZs is equal to Eg. So Vt can be written as Eg minus IaZs, and which can be simplified to the equation under root Eg square minus IaXs square minus IaRa. For non-inductive load, Ra is negligible compared to Xs. Therefore, Vt plus IaXs square is almost constant equal to Eg square. So that V by I curve can be simplified. It is nearly ellipse with semi-axis Eg and Isc. The current Isc is such that it will flow when the load resistance is reduced to 0. Here the voltage for different load it can be shown here for different R load, and it is showing the variation of sigma also, terminal voltage Vt. Variation of voltage with load at constant excitation, it is shown here. The equation of terminal voltage is equal to Vt plus IaZx for this kind of load. At leading load of 0 power factor, figure is shown in the load characteristic drawn here. We can see from this figure that it is another kind of straight line which by reason direct magnetizing effect of leading current, the voltage increases with load. Intermediate load power factor produces current versus voltage characteristic as resembling the same to the figure 1.1. It is showing depending upon the load power factor this equations and the short circuit current at which the load terminal voltage falls to 0, nearly about 50% of the normal current in large modern machines.